Research, I just bought the VOLTRX electric protein mixer, and this thing got amazing review on Amazon. We're gonna check it out. Let's see what's in the box. We're gonna uncap this, take this out. It has a rubber seal inside. The quality is pretty good. Their logo's right there, and this must be the base right here. Ooh, so this is instead of the rubber, they put a plastic over here, which for leak proof, leak through, stuff like that. Yeah, and it has two rubber at the bottom, so it sticks on the countertop. It doesn't move. And inside here we have this tiny thing, might be the charger. Yep, so that's the wire. That's a charger right there. It doesn't come with the head part, so we're gonna have to get it. I'm guessing this is just the plastic that came with it. And we look inside, you got a little instruction inside. It was pretty cool for a bottle. They did an instruction. It tells you how to charge it and stuff like that. And you can see the blender thing inside right there. Look at that. See? So that's pretty cool. So this is not my first time using a protein mixer. I have tried a bunch of them before, but this is the first time I bought this VOLTRX one. I used some other one, and they last for a month probably, because I use it every day. And we're gonna test it out and show you guys. Right here, you just put in your charger to charge, and there's a button right here. We have a little bit power there, but not much. That looks pretty cool. It looks like it's lighting up. Whoa, look at that. That's awesome. Show you, if you click 30 seconds, click once, so 30 seconds mix. If you double click, it's 3-minute mixing. Long press for 2 seconds, and the battery will display and stuff. So this thing is pretty cool. It's actually a little bit of high-tech stuff going on here, but we just need it for mixing protein shakes. So I just wanted to show you guys the charger right here. So to some people this charger will be fine, but I think the length of the charger is not enough, especially if you want to plug it in an outlet far. The bottle is not going to be able to rest on the ground and go up. An outlet is about, what, 12 inches up high maybe. So if you're plugging it up, it's going to be really difficult. So this is a downfall for me, the charger. Not fully charged yet, but I wanted to show you guys real quick. So we're going to press this one time. Look at this. See that? See that light right there? And it's spinning. But look how cool that is. That's pretty cool. So it's not full charge, as I said, but we're going to put some water and see how it goes. Alright, so I add some water inside. We're going to press this button. One tap. Whoa. A little tornado going on there. Look at that. Pretty neat. So thank you so much for watching Product Zone. Don't forget, like, subscribe, check the description box below for price and details on this, and get your hand on a good blender right here. Electric, lasts for a while. Just take care of it. Like and subscribe.